Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I'm auditioning for the role of Dakkon. I'm 6 feet tall, and I weigh 175 pounds.
So, just make yourself at home. I'm so glad you could come and visit Dakkon. How was the trip?
Wait.
Oh, and I see you brought your sword. That's cool.
Black Blade.
Right. Well, just be careful with that. Around the couch, please. Oh, hey! Modern Horizons 2. This is the new magic set.
The best set.
Oh, I see.
The most powerful cards. Cool reprints. Cards new to modern. New Dakkon card.
Okay, I get it. And I can't wait to learn more. So, is this all you brought?
Dakkon may need to borrow a few things.